And now on to some developments from Maharashtra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a breakfast meeting with the new Shiv Sena and NCP MPs today. The meeting reportedly took place in Marathi, a language that the Prime Minister understands and speaks. And during the meeting, Prime Minister reportedly urged new Member of Parliaments to make full use of the central government's resources to speed up development in their respective constituencies. He also advised them to approach the Prime Minister's office directly if they face any hurdles in implementing development projects. He further interacted individually with each MP, seeking updates on their constituencies and the progress of ongoing development works. He is also expected to meet Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Shiv Sena Chief Eknath Shinde, during which they are likely to discuss the possibility of a cabinet expansion. Sources say that the Prime Minister is holding meetings with NDA constituent parties to review the situation following the recent student protests across the country. For more details on this development, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Well, that is right. Key meeting is expected to take place between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde today in New Delhi. Political sources do tell us that the discussions likely could center around the next cabinet expansion, the mood of the Gen Z movement across the country, because remember, for political parties, eyeing the young voters always has been the top priority during elections. And thirdly, what Eknath Shinde's role could be in the coming months as a key NDA ally. All of this could be expected as part of the meeting. On Friday morning before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also met the newly elected MPs and spoke personally to them about the constituencies that they cover and what are the development works that are currently underway. And if there is any help which is needed, do take it from the government sources and use all the resources possible and ensure that the government works happen in a speedy manner. This is Disha reporting from Mumbai for Beyond World is One.